This presentation is on Beydaglari National Park by Kyle Warax and Eric Ahrens. Beydaglari National Park was established as a national park in 1872 by the Turkey national government. Located in the Antalya province in southern Turkey, Beydaglari spans an area of about 34,000 hectares, more specifically beginning in the southwest area of Antalya, called Sansu, and running parallel with the Mediterranean Sea, crossing into the Kumluca shoreline, making it the second largest national park in Turkey. Antalya Province averages 300 sunny days per year and has hot, dry summers accompanied by mild, rainy winters. At the peak of summers, temperatures can reach 35 degrees Celsius, but average around 30. Winters remain around 6 degrees Celsius. In Antalya National Park, or more generally the Turkish Mediterranean seacoast, temperatures are very extreme. Therefore, there are huge floods and extremely dry droughts. As a result of this extreme Mediterranean climate, there is immense plant and animal diversity throughout the park. Beydaglari has a unique landscape that is vastly mountainous along with valleys and coastal plains. One side of the national park is made up of coastline and beaches along the Mediterranean Sea, while the other has diverse plant life along the mountains and valleys. Much of the vegetation consists of very rich and green plants. Calabrian pines line the shore, while black pines and ground cedars are more frequently viewed at higher elevations. Cedar forests generally grow in altitudes over 1,000 to 2,000 meters. They can grow in strictly cedar tree clusters or alongside other trees. In Beydaglari, they grow alongside black pines in higher elevations. What is interesting about cedar trees is that as elevation increases, they cultivate in thicker clusters. Cedar forests that flourish on limestone have a unique structure than those who grow on other forms of ground cover. Considering Beydaglari is a limestone-enriched environment, the cedar forests are unique to any other.
In addition, many of the plant species naturally thriving have formed the base of modern human agriculture, including wheat, barley, chickpeas, lentils, figs, hazelnuts, and cherries, all of which are found in this part of Turkey. Some of these wildflowers that grow throughout Turkey are tulips. Tulips are native to Turkey and some other parts of Asia. Tulips have always had an effect on Turkish culture. They are very unique flowers because they can be bred in many colors. These colors include white, yellow, pink, red, black, purple, and orange.
Ancient city Olympus lies within the park boundaries and was once the location of a pirate base. During the 1st century BC, pirates controlled Olympus until the Romans arrived in the 2nd century AD. During the 3rd century, there were attacks made by pirates that led to poverty. While attacks continued on to the Middle Ages, forts were built along coastal regions. By the 15th century, Olympus was abandoned following the arrival of the Ottomans.
Antila is famous for its underground water and its limestone. The groundwater is between Lake Gurdiv and the Alchemist limestone units. It travels at a velocity of 26.2 to 35.6 miles per hour. This water from Lake Gurdiv is what recharges the aquifer due to the use of ions. There is a ton of limestone in Antila. The water from the lake can reach the wells and the springs without any isotopic charge. This rock is composed of shale, sandstone, siltstone, and marl. Water gets charged up from the limestone and discharged while reaching the surface levels.
The limestone formations within Beydaglari National Park are unlike any other. One location in particular is Chimera, where natural gas has been seeping from the limestone for centuries. This phenomenon has created an everlasting flame that has been the base of many mythological stories. Among the many beaches along the Mediterranean in Turkey, Sirali is a natural port that is recognized as the purest and most beautiful coastline, spanning a length of 3¼ kilometers. This stretch of coastline is an attractive area for the loggerhead turtles, which are an endangered species, to lay their eggs and hatch. During reproduction, the male tortoise opens his mouth, revealing his red tongue and a distinct screeching sound that can be heard around the island. Much of the turtle population depleted during the first half of the 20th century due to capture and trade of the turtles, leading them close to extinction. Current fishing habits off the coast continue to impact their population today. Beydaglari shores give shelter to monk seals and sea turtles, which are both endangered species. There is a Turkey environmental program that was created to protect the last few monk seals today, along with the preservation committee that makes sure no one else in the park interferes with the sea turtles and where they lay their eggs on the beaches. Monk seals used to find home to almost all of the Mediterranean coastline, and even small sections of coastline along the Atlantic. Today, their population has dwindled severely from fishing habits, and can only be seen in small sections of the Mediterranean. Now that the government has stepped in, there is less fear that their species will become extinct forever.
With an increase in tourists, there are limitations to the amount of people that the area can facilitate. The average amount of visitors the park can accommodate per year is approximately 690.
Turkey is a natural passageway between Europe and Asia that allows for the spread of species. The presence of large mammals in Beydaglari is very important for its ecosystem. Human interaction in the mountains caused devastating effects on animal populations in the park. One species greatly affected is the gray wolf. Due to illegal hunting and man-made barriers such as settlements and roads, their population has suffered over the years.
The Mediterranean is the most biologically diverse region in all of Europe for invertebrate species. Scientists have estimated there to be about 150,000 insect species that live in the Mediterranean region. As a result of all this biological diversity, scientists are discovering new insect species they never knew even existed. In the Mediterranean mountains, 15 to about 20% of all animals are insects, and 90% of animals living in caves are insects. The most common insects are beetles, stoneflies. There are more than 1,000 ground species of beetles found. The genus that is common in Turkey is Proscaeric scaberosus. It is very common in the eastern half of the Mediterranean Sea. They are very large dark beetles. They are very good at adapting to environments such as fires.
Beydaglari National Park is truly significant in its existence and preservation of the endangered species, unique plant life, and ancient civilizations. There is no difficulty understanding why this area is labeled as an important national park in Turkey. From the Mediterranean Sea to the mountains, Antalya is a park worth visiting.
Thank you for watching Kyle and Eric's video.